up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel and thanks for joining in. Today I'm going to be making this oversized t-shirt into a dress. Alright, so we're going to need some scissors, some needle and thread, and I got these upholstery pins. And you're also going to need something to basically measure out and shape out the shirt, which is what that green thing is I have. It's a dress. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is start off by cutting off both sleeves. Alright, so now I'm taking this dress and matching it up with the shirt as best as I can, and then I'm going to go ahead and basically just cut out the outline of the dress. But however, I'm not going to cut too close to the dress because you want to leave yourself room for anything that could happen. Alright, so now after I had got everything cut out, I'm going to go ahead and sew the edges up. But first, I'm going to turn it inside out like I'm doing, and then that's when I'm going to start to sew. Okay, and so right here, this is optional. This is where I use the pins, and I'm using these pins because I'm a new sewer, so I'm just trying to have something to hold down the edges until I get close enough to take them out so I can sew. I want to try to keep it as even as possible, so this is why I'm using the pins, but you don't have to do that. So now the final step is just to sew the edges all the way up and then turn the dress back on the right side, and there you go. You should be all set. Alright, and there you go. That is the finished look. And in case you was wondering, yes, I got my face cut off like that on purpose. I really wasn't trying to get my face. I was trying to get the dress. So there you go. You see me? There you go. In case you need to see me, there you go. Now I'm taking it back. Oh.